Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 6X and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First we need to open the menu, and to do it press and hold the up/menu button, the one in the middle on the left side. And after a few seconds the menu will appear, and now we need to scroll up or down, whatever you like, but if we scroll up it's gonna be faster. So let's scroll up by pressing the up button, select the system and press the power button to enter, or start button, however you want to call it. Now let's scroll down and select hotkeys, then press the power button to enter. And here we have a list of hotkeys. Let's select one we want to assign to screenshot. So let's, for example, let's select let's select hold start and press the power button. Now let's find screenshot. I believe it's somewhere here. Yes, screenshot, and press the power button to confirm. And now when we press and hold the power button or start button, however you want to call it, we will take a screenshot. So let's go back from here. And let's take our screenshot by pressing and holding the power button. And as you can see, it says screenshot taken. You can check your screenshots on your you need to connect your watch to your computer, and then you can browse your screenshots. Of course, using the provided USB cable. And that's how you take the screenshots on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.